The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a huge commitment by DeFi to the whole world, not on the grounds that there are very few late players during the pandemic, but since relatively few have decided to work from an alternate organization by and large, standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution. AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a point-by-point AMP value forecast referenced here, a definitive target of this token being unequivocally something similar to Insure exchanges and innate information, making them more moment and secure, based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens. AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other advanced monetary forms. What makes AMP interesting? Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and insure on any type of significant worth trade, be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit appropriations, property deals, and that's just the beginning. A devoted class of experts and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Flexa organization and consensus, a thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and such comparative innovation. AMP token, the less popular realities. A significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a sensational expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a strong and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage. The issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching deceitful or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as insurance for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and such comparative advances. The underpinning of AMP is totally dependent on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security snags are captured first. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This distinguishable characteristic makes it one of a kind contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in carrying out savvy agreements and move reserves. AMP token, specialized examination. Going by the specialized examination, AMP cost has had a notable journey since its send-off, which could be the principal justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at 5 cents, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91 with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of verifiable information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed 3 cents. From that point forward, it kept on exchanging tolerably till June. On June 16th, AMP recorded an untouched high of 12 cents. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to 3 cents. In view of our AMP cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is 23 cents. With a 5-year speculation, the income of AMP digital currency is supposed to be around plus 510.13%. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 7 cents in the main portion of 2022. The AMP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 8 cents with the typical cost of 7 cents all through 2022. AMP cost began in 2022 at 4 cents. Today, the ongoing cost of AMP is exchanged at 5 cents, so the cost expanded by 16.16% from the very start of the year. The anticipated typical AMP cost expectations toward the finish of 2022 is 25 cents. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 169%. In the main portion of 2023, the AMP cost will move to 10 cents. In the last part, the cost would be 24 cents and continuously end it would be 29 cents. AMP has been safeguarding its ongoing position well against the market-wide unpredictability. Starting from the main portion of 2022, the AMP coin cost will see numerous bullish positions, which are higher than the past one. In the present moment to mid-term situation for our AMP coin cost expectation 2022, the normal AMP cost examination needs to break past the retracement level at 9 cents. Our drawn-out AMP estimate is bullish, considerably more. It has a high chance of arriving at another untouched high this year. Through latest things, financial backer feeling. and the general course of the AMP cryptographic money market capitalization. We think it has a long-haul procuring potential and a decent possibility visiting the 65 cents to 8 cents dollar mark in 2022 as long as the pattern proceeds, and this will make it a wise venture. AMP cost will keep on being valued by digital currency financial backers with a strong exchanging rise cost today, showing potential for clients arriving at a value ascent of 7 cents over this year because of fixed supply. AMP value gauge, 2022 to 2026. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP Viz, security and unwavering quality. AMP is a computerized guarantee token that offers unquestionable confirmations collateralization for a steam move. A further impact on costs for this security token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary organizations and guarantee token financial backers in the long haul. Crypto positions as one of the main 50 digital forms of money, and with this it will most likely arrive at new level. Considering the pandemic and vulnerability winning around it, the money section has endured a significant shot, taking the deficiency of countries to a wonderful undeniable level in any event for created nations like the USA. AMP value expectation 2022. There is no certain shot digital money estimate for any of the current AMP crypto coins, thus for AMP conjecture. Taking into account the verifiable information and digital money markets, AMP is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and brokers' local area. AMP might support an inspirational perspective as long as the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the speculation guidance or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling 9 cents. AMP value forecast 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, dependable environment and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AMP with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of 11 cents per coin. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Also, subsequently, as per AMP's cost expectation 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to acquire great return from now on. AMP value expectation 2024. Many hypotheses are proceeding for AMP, particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There is a figure that the AMP cost might reach 14 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The interesting limited time adventures might wrap up, making the clients gather the increases. AMP value forecast 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by the geniuses. Over the course of the following 5 years, the token is set to quit slacking with other digital currencies to show up at a cost of 17 cents. A stunning confidence is anticipated for AMP predominantly because of its reliable presentation over the course of the following 4 years. Thus, dealers ought to allude to our AMP conjecture before they put resources into AMP. AMP value forecast 2026. In the event that the market turns great, AMP cost is set to break all obstructions and perform extravagantly, scaling the top soon according to our figure, violating all impediments throughout the following year. The AMP token